When you're working on UI design and you want to see what a target demographic is thinking, it's really good to run low cost and quick user testing methods or user tests. And there's two different methods that I want to talk about today. One of them is coffee shop testing, and the other one is hallway testing. And I'll describe kind of the difference between each. But what's really important is to have something that you're really focused on. So let's say you're working on a design and you have maybe 1, 2, or 3 different versions or revisions or UI flows. And really isolate a specific thing you want to test, and then go and try to find somebody to run the test. And so there are two that I mentioned: coffee shop testing and hallway testing. Coffee shop testing is essentially going to a coffee shop and going up to somebody that's in the target demographic and saying, hey, I'm working on this app or website or even logo, and I'd like to get your opinion. Can I buy you a cup of coffee for just a couple minutes of your time? And if they're interested in talking to you and they have the time, then try to be as quick and efficient as possible. Essentially, isolate what you want to do, show them 1 or 2 different examples, get their feedback, buy them coffee or give them like a $5 gift card, and then move on to the next person. And the other method is hallway testing, essentially doing the same thing, but instead of going out to a coffee shop, ideally you would be in the same office that you're in, either office or co-working space, and you would find somebody that's outside of your department. Let's say you're working on something for the mobile app, try to find somebody that's in accounting or another department that is not really, that doesn't really know exactly which project you're working on. That way you get unbiased feedback. So these are 2 really cheap, quick, and efficient methods for user testing. Of course, there's a lot of different data points that you get to see which design works best, but coffee shop testing and hallway testing are 2 really good methods.